Hey, this is Robert at StocksMovingNow.com. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up with you. We're here into the last 7 minutes of the trading day, but this is Acordia Therapeutics. I wanted to give you a quick rundown of this. This stock has made some new highs based upon some positive information they had relative to drug approval, but apparently we initially caught the spike here. The market started selling off following, and so it kind of flattened out here. But you see another big volume spike here of almost 1 million shares. The news on this again for Acordia is, let's pull this up here. This is from from Scott Trade. Ampyra to be distributed by Acordia Pharmaceuticals. That kicked in at 1539 and 1540. And this particular bar was at 1535, so it was actually in advance of the news. That's when we caught this move. Any rate, excuse me, let me just minimize that. StocksMovingNow.com caught this move at 1535.12, which is right here on this bar, and that was solely based upon volume and price move. The news came out again in this time frame on these two bars, 1539 and 1540. Had another big volume bar here. It looks like it's moving higher, although it is pulling back right now. That was a significant trade right there at almost 1 million shares. Again, StocksMovingNow.com does not constitute a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security or derivative whatsoever. You should not consider any such information as a recommendation. It is, however, information. It helps you see what's going on in the market. Just wanted to follow up with you on this. I also was tracking a trade of FAS at the same time because the market was selling off. So I wanted to bring this back to you. We'll go and track this through the end of the day. We've got another 5 minutes in the trading day here. And I'll go ahead and post this on YouTube after I'm done. But this is an example of, again, what StocksMovingNow.com can give you in terms of information that makes information available for your trading decisions. Now, another interesting piece to this news was that ELN here is actually the licensor of this particular, we don't have any news there, but the licensor of this particular drug. So you'll notice here's ELN moving higher. It might be interesting to see what ELN is doing. Let me go ahead and pull that up. So we'll put them also on the 1 minute chart, and we'll do ELN Pharmaceuticals. There we go. Okay, so they're both kind of benefiting from this. This particular one, ELN, spiked at 1553 from around 788 is the low, $8 on the close, all the way up to 813. So these two are kind of operating together with this news information. In other words, ELN looks like it's the developer of this. It's a drug, Ampyra, to improve walking in adults with multiple sclerosis. Well, I can't even say that. Any rate, so it looks like, again, Acordia Pharmaceuticals is going to distribute it. So we'll just watch these two together in tandem since this news relates to both of them. Let's pull up my new highs. I don't know if ELN made it there. It may not have had enough, a big enough of a move to show up on this list. Yeah, apparently not. So I picked up ELN just visually, seeing it here. Here you can see Acordia, 27.98. But it may actually be ELN that benefits from it. I don't know. A lot of times you have to see if news is affecting more than one company. It might be to the benefit of one more than the other. But certainly both of these have huge amounts of volume compared to previous volume bars. For example, this one had Acordia had 500 shares traded, 1582, 1950, 300, 8200, 3000, and then for it to immediately jump to 469,000. The same with ELN. It had 3,400, 700, 4,000, 1,200, and then all of a sudden it jumps here to 115,000. Of course, this big spike here at 547,000. So these are indicative that this news is positive for both of these companies. But we'll wait and see. We may not find out until next week exactly how this all plays out. There's just 2 minutes left in the trading day, actually about a minute. So we'll see how it turns out. But I just want to keep you posted of that. Thought it might break higher here at 29.36. Didn't quite make it out. But again, we'll keep watching this till right through the close. The basic account with Scott Trade kind of ends at close, and especially since it's Friday, it's going to close at 4 o'clock anyways today. But we'll wait and see next week if these stocks bear watching. We've got another 20 seconds or so here in the trading day. So I will be closing this out in a second. Just wanted to bring your attention, though, to these two big volume movers toward the end of the day. Hope you have a great weekend. Again, this is stocksmovingnow.com. It's a $4.95 per month information service, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber if you're interested. Okay, here we are right at 4 o'clock. All the trades are coming in on close. And as you can see, this is really not decipherable when it's flying by that fast. All right, have a great weekend.